If you're talking the hardest, deep at the pop up in your thoughts as a YouTuber. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another and super exciting episode from Salvage Nation. Have a look behind me. I'm gonna stay in the way. My guy Akil went ahead and done his magic in the paint booth, fire in the booth. We got the car sprayed, but let me take you back in time. No talking. Enjoy the video. I'm gonna show you how we got to this stage. And if you watch the video to the end, I'm gonna be showing you how you can win this M2 Comp front splitter free of charge. Roll on the video. I see. Haha. Nah, you know what that is? Look at that glass. Glass. Nah, Kill, you done. Nah. Too much. Yeah. Guys, take a look at this thing. I told you the wait for this painting video is gonna be worth it. It's getting late. You can hear Akil's next door cleaning up. We're gonna leave this to dry overnight. Come in tomorrow. Hit the front bumper. Hit the bonnet. Hit the back. See you tomorrow. I'm not even saying anything else. Jeez! Wow! Woo-wee! Good morning. It's the very next day, and this has been curing in the oven overnight. And just have a look at that finish, man. Still amazing. But guys, we're making great progress. Have a look at that deep sea blue. Let's get this out. We've still got a ton of bits to paint. Let's continue. If you're talking the hardest, deep at the pop up in your thoughts as a YouTuber, we got that fire in the booth. Look at this thing, fire in the booth, let go. Alright guys, all jokes aside, have a look at the bumper. The bumper has been curing for 2 days. The weekend has actually passed. I was away with the family. Akil done his thing. He's done the bumper. I've just shown you the rear boot lid and that rear bumper. All of that is all done. And thank you to a lot of you eagle-eyed subscribers. Come on, this is what I like about the Salvage Nation community that I've built and we're building together. You guys noticed that the side skirts on the 118 were different. Should have known that, I didn't know. So I went ahead and I dug these bad boys out. Before I got rid of the shell of the breaker car, I took these bad boys off, so we'll be getting them sprayed. I also met up with one of my subscribers. Thank you, Dan. If you're watching this, I appreciate you, man. Last night was fun. I went and checked out his M140i, it's very famous. He linked me up with another famous YouTuber, I'm not gonna call any names, but Dan, once again, I appreciate all of that. For now, he's given me some bits for the build that's gonna transform the engine side of things. There's a lot of work that I need to do on the car, but for now, let me get out of the booth. It's a bit hot in here. Akil's got to finish off the bonnet, finish off all the spraying, and then get the car reassembled. And I want to show you all the bits that I've got for the car. Guys, take a look at this rear end now. Everything is looking. Don't forget the front bumper. All right, man. That was gonna get to that. All right. Go away. Anyway, everything's looking great. I'm happy. Like, I'm so gassed with the way that this whole rear end has come out. The front end's gonna look even. So guys, check out this Cobb Developments front mount intake. It's crazy. So on the B58 platform, you normally have the airbox there, and it's only just the last episode I went ahead and made that airbox completely seated correctly. I never knew this was gonna come. It came. Here we are. So it goes into the intake manifold down there. It comes up. It makes this little loop. I'm gonna have to do some slight modification here, and for this kind of hard plastic gasket, whatever it's called, I'll have to just do some more fabrication right here. And what I should have is, that should be able to go all the way through like so. And my cone is gonna be right at the front, sucking in all that cold air. And apparently it's gonna sound sick. So let's get it on the car, see what I want. To complement that, it came with this K&N nice big air filter. So it should be sucking a lot better. Everyone loves a good sucker. Innit, Akil? Everyone likes a good sucker. So guys, there you go. Have a look at the finished product. As you can see, it's now got a solid direct link of air from the front of the car straight through directly into that intake manifold. And yeah, I'll see how it goes. I'll test it out. This is the Cobb Developments version. It's got good reviews. If you guys know about these, let me know in the comments. Akil just told me that it's not going to be good. It potentially can suck in water from the front. So let me know. Let me know. But guys, with that done, I've got one more trick in the box. Have a look at this. This is a fully billet aluminium charge pipe, and this is going to replace this plastic one. If you remember earlier on in the build, I had an issue where it blew off the bottom, and I was always thinking I'm going to be upgrading this to the metal one. Have a look at this. This is solid. This is nice. That's one half of it. In the box is the other half. And then once all of this is on, I can assemble the front end and get this. Have a look at this. This is looking sick. Get this bad boy on the car as well as the bonnet. So let's get this on the car and then continue. So guys, there you go. Take a look at this thing. I'm lost for words. I'm actually lost for words. The car drives nice. You've seen all the driving kind of test runs that we've done, but now the car just looks amazing. Let me know what you think about the decision to stay with this original color. This color for me just sets it off. It's a unique color on a 140 or 140 Evo as we're gonna call it. You can't see this color anywhere. Massive shout out to Enhanced Plates, who done me two of the most custom, most amazing looking plates. I know they're just number plates, but for me that just sets off the front end and the rear end of the car. It goes with the angles of this kind of aggressive M2 style front bumper. I'm yet to get a splitter, but I'm going to be giving one away to one of you lucky people. Once I get back to the garage, I'll show that to you in a sec. The smoked headlights, they're looking great. The gloss black grills are looking great. Have a look at that front mount intercooler. Once again, if anyone knows if that's going to be risky running that, do let me know. The CS style bonnet is looking amazing. It's come out really nice. And to set it all off, I went and got a set of these 50th anniversary BMW badges all round. So you got one there. I've got them all in the wheels. The wheels have tidied up really nice. I swapped out these silver mirror caps for these gloss carbon fiber finished kind of M style caps, and it just looks amazing. Okay guys, so check this out. Just got back to the garage. I'm gonna show you what one of you guys are gonna be winning, but first I've got a bone to pick with this guy.
Yeah, You always use sexist, brother.
Why?
But you have to say ladies and gentlemen.
Not guys all the time.
No guys.
I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Listen.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Akil, you never thought I could do it, innit?
Everything is possible.
I was in the car one day, I heard Akil speak and he says, this guy, he's wasting his time, he can't do it.
We're joking. Yeah.
He's wasting his time with this. Who's gonna do this? Look at this job. Who's gonna do this job? What have you got to say now, son?
Well done, son.
That's it. That's it. That's all I want. Well, that's all I want. Well, that's it. That's it.
I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, next one. What we doing next? I saw a Cat B Golf R and a regular Golf.
Should we swap on these?
Should we put B58 in this transit?
Recovery truck.
But guys, all jokes aside, the car is painted, it looks amazing, and for all of you guys who've been following this build and the channel, I want to give back to you. So I'm going to be giving away this bad boy. Check it out. So guys, I'm giving away to one of you lucky guys, free of charge, this M2 competition front splitter. Obviously, it's gonna fit the M2 comp style front bumper for 140, or if you've actually got an M2 comp, it's gonna fit, it's for an M2 competition. All you need to do to be in with a chance to win it is subscribe to Salvage Nation on YouTube, head over to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and send me a picture of your build, where you're gonna be fitting this splitter, and the one that I think looks best is gonna win. If you've got a story, add your story, drop a comment down below, and may the best build win. That's it. This is where we're gonna wrap up this video. In the next video, it's all about mods. I've got a ton of mods for the car, both interior, exterior, engine. There's a lot of mods, that's all I'm gonna say. So stay tuned for that. And then we're gonna be heading down. I wanna take it on the rolling road. There's a lot more to come from this build. It's far from finished. Got a date in mind to take the car down to Santa Pod Raceway, where we're gonna be doing some numbers. We're gonna be installing some hardware, software, and then we're gonna be doing some more numbers. But I'll announce that later on a future video, so stay tuned for that. But this is where we're gonna end this episode. Let me know what you think of the paint. Let me know what you think of the car. And like I always say, keep it moving. Good luck to you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. We out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.